Avanti Destinations
connects
the components
for customized
international travel,
utilizing
our technology
and educated staff.
We deliver
a unique vacation
experience
solely
through acting
as the
travel agents.
travel agents.
Barcelona, in essence, is an extension of our office in Portland. We split between the two offices, 4 different departments. We have an operations team, we have an air team, we have an accounting team, and we have a product team. So what we've created through Barcelona and Portland sharing resources is to be able to extend our opening hours of these 4 departments. We've seen over the last year that the advantages of having this extension of opening hours in terms of our customer service, we're now able to elevate and add a better customer experience for our travel advisors as we're able to respond to them in a more timely manner. We're now able to handle live issues when they happen. We're here to support you, to support all our suppliers. We can de-escalate problems that happen a lot quicker than before.
Having an air ticket specialist in the same time zone as most of our travelers allowed Avanti to take care of in-travel situations before Portland office opens. In air department, we have access to air system, and that allows us to have a better understanding of where customers are. All that in real time, helping the DMCs.
Our local partners no longer need to wait until late in the day to receive a reply, which is particularly important when there's an emergency situation which we are able to resolve together and quickly. We are able to find a solution for the travelers before their travel advisor is awake or aware of any issues.
We've been very fortunate to recruit a great team, many people who have travel as their background, helping us to support our mission to increase our services and our sales.